week I'm testing the Kia Cerato GT. It's a 5-seater sporty hatchback. Well, let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Kia Cerato GT there are Isofix in the 2 outer seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're nice and easy to connect to. On the back of all 3 seat backs are top tether anchorages and nice and easy to connect to through the boot. Now I could surprisingly fit 3 Infosecure child seats across the back here, which was fantastic. I got 1 Aspire More booster forward facing and 2 Achieve More rear facing child seats. Now I did find with 2 child seats in the back here, it's much easier to use, but those 3 will fit. Now legroom is surprising in here too. For a small 5-seater hatch, we could fit a 186cm passenger in front of a rear-facing child seat. To learn more about the child seats used in this review, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the Kia Cerato GT is quite minimal. There are 2 cup holders in a fold down in the central seat back. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There's a single net mat pocket on the back of the front passenger seat that will hold but not conceal an iPad. And the door bins are quite small. They would only hold a 600ml bottle, and there's the little storage handle wells too. Storage in the front is good. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. Behind them is a small central console box, and in the front there are 2 phone charging shelves, 12-volt socket and USBs. There's a glasses case in the ceiling, and the glove box is a good size in here. That will hold my wallet and iPad with the manual. The door bins are a good size in the front. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and my wallet fits in them too. There are aircon vents in the back to keep the little passengers nice and cool while you're driving along. The boot of the Kia Cerato opens manually and nice and quietly. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot.
Empty, it will hold 12 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 2 shopping bags, a tandem pram and 5 shopping bags, a single pram and 4 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 8 shopping bags, or a small to medium sized dog.
The Kia Cerato GT is a really nice car to drive. It's nice and sporty. If you slip it into sports mode, it's got a nice sound to the engine too. Now it is a bit of a hard ride. That's the only thing to consider for families. Little passengers in the back, they will notice that. But it is small, so it's nice and easy to manoeuvre around town and supermarket and school car parks. And visibility is very good in this car, even with child seats installed in the back. The media system in the Kia Cerato GT is really lovely and easy to use and to navigate. It's got some great features in here for families, like Sounds of Nature, which is basically white noise at your fingertips, and you can choose from different options. There's also quiet mode, which brings the sound from the rear speakers to the front, so if your little one falls asleep in the back, it's great for that. You can also control the climate from this media screen too. It's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is fantastic. When I put it into reverse, that camera images are really lovely and clear. You can turn the parking sensors on and off with a button down in the central console. So to sum up with the Kia Cerato GT, it's a great family 5-seater hatch. It's really spacious inside. I could just fit those 3 child seats across, and I could fit a twin stroller in the boot. The drive is really good fun. The media system is great too.